Hello. So let's go straight into building your dropshipping website. The first thing you will need is you need to install a theme which your website will run on, a theme or a template. Okay, so this theme controls the design of your website. Okay, I'm sure I've looked through this in past lessons. So this theme controls the design of your website. Currently, if you look at this website, it doesn't really look like an e-commerce website per se. It's just there. So we can do something about it. Okay, so we need to give it a commerce feel. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard. Then you go to your appearance. Okay, on your dashboard, go to appearance. Now go to themes. So when you see themes, click on themes. Okay, so the theme page is going to load. So what we want to do now is we want to source for themes we'll install on our website, okay, to get set up and going. So when you get to this themes page, click on add new here. Okay, so now we have several themes we can actually choose from. We just need to know what type of theme. In our case, we are building something like an e-commerce website, or it's basically an e-commerce website, but it's just running on a dropshipping model. So we can either search for dropshipping or you can search for e-commerce. So I think I'll search for dropshipping first. So we need to search for the theme, so we have results closely related to what we are looking for. So let's come here, search for dropshipping and press enter. Okay, so it says no results found. So what will you do is search for e-commerce. I'm sure you are going to find a lot of options here. So now we have e-commerce themes loaded. Okay, so now we can get started. So all you just need to do now is to pick a theme of your choice. Okay, so you just scroll through and look at the preview of these themes, and think of the one that appeals to you, or the one that is related to the type of product you are selling. Okay, so just scroll through and let me see which one will work fine for us. Something just generalized. Okay, I think I have a favorite theme I use, storefronts. I recommend it for you too. It's a very nice theme, very lightweight, unless it's not here, but I use it a lot. Stores, yeah, here's it. Here it is, storefront. So I'll recommend storefront for you because it's a very lightweight theme. It makes it very easy for you to get started, with an e-commerce website on WordPress, and it's free also. So let me just install storefront. So you click on install, the installation will begin. Note you need your internet connection, okay, and then activate. So now the theme is activated. So let's go and check the front end of the website. So you go back to your website, your main domain, and then you refresh, or you click on F5 just to see what has happened. So you can see there has been a little change. And what we just need to do now is just customize. Okay, so this is just installing the theme. Of course, it's not going to look like what you want immediately. Okay, there are still a lot of things we are going to put into this, but we've just done the first step, that is installing your theme. Okay, and then you can definitely customize this theme by using this customize menu here. There you are going to find a lot of customization options for this theme. So the page is loading. So here is the customization page. You can click on skip it off for now. So here you can get to customize everything. So you can see pencil icons. You can customize how this theme looks. Okay, so you can customize, you see the header, the footer, the background typography, that's the font, buttons, layout. So we're going to go into this later. I'm just showing you what you can actually do with this thing. So this is just how we're getting started. So we've installed the theme. The next class, we are going to install a plugin. Okay, so like I said in one of the classes, plugins extend WordPress. Okay, it's more like having a default WordPress website, and then you just plug something into the website that will let it have a particular functionality. And now this functionality we are looking for is e-commerce functionality. We want to build an e-commerce website out of our WordPress website. So we are going to install a plugin in our next class, which is going to give this site e-commerce features. It's going to convert it to a full e-commerce website. So that will happen in our next class. For this class, we'll just take you on how to install the theme. And you are not limited to storefront. Please, you can also try out other themes of your choice. Just make sure it's compliant and you find it easy to use. Okay, so I recommend storefront. Okay, so in our next class, we are going to look at installing this plugin to extend WordPress and convert it into an e-commerce website. Then from there, we are now going to learn how to add our products to the website and do more. All right, so I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.